Agile tools that'll make her team cheer. Lost in project chaos, her vision's a blur. She journeys to the magic forest where solutions stir. The dealer grins, opens his coat wide. I got what you need, it's a wild ride. Step right up, Sarah, don't be shy. Agile Reports and Gadgets, give 'em a try. Broken Build is the best in the game. For Jira and Confluence, they're earning their fame. Agile Reports and Gadgets, they got the tools. Tracking progress like a boss, breaking all the rules. She raises an eyebrow, intrigued by the sight. Can they track my velocity and keep my team tight? He nods with a smirk, you bet they can do. Burn down charts and benchmarks, all tailored for you. 12 gadgets strong, causing a sensation. For Scrum and Kanban, it's pure innovation. With data breakdowns by status and type, you'll lead your projects with confidence and hype. Broken Build, the best in the game. For Jira and Confluence, they're earning their fame. Agile Reports and Gadgets, they got the tools. Tracking progress like a boss, breaking all the rules. Sarah grins back, feeling the thrill. This is exactly what I need to fulfill. Let's get you set up, you won't regret. With 30 days free, it's the best bet yet. Broken Build, the best in the game. For Jira and Confluence, they're earning their fame. Agile Reports and Gadgets, they got the tools. Tracking progress like a boss, breaking all the rules.